Well, hello, folks. It's Farmer Jim here, and I'm getting ready for the big local 4th of July Jubilee. And we all bring a special ingredient for the big picnic for the whole town. And then you have that lady, Lorraine Littlenut, who always brings the best side dishes. Well, I'm gonna beat Lorraine this year. I'm gonna be bringing something that combines two picnic favorites. I'm gonna be making baked bean pasta salad. Let's make it. I've cooked up some pasta. You could use any pasta you like. You just need to make sure you drain it when you're done cooking it. Just dump it in a bowl. I'm gonna add some celery, a chopped red bell pepper, a can of drained sweet peas, a little chopped cooked bacon, some cheddar cheese, a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise, little black pepper, some paprika, and then comes the baked beans. I'm going to use these vegetarian baked beans, but you can use any that you fancy. Just dump the whole can right on that salad. Then you just mix it all together, and you just chill it till you're ready to serve. Baked bean pasta salad. I am ready for this Jubilee. Time for a little sample. It's delicious. Who knew baked beans would work in a pasta salad? And it does. I can't wait to see what everybody brings, except for Lorraine. If you want to see what else people are bringing to the Jubilee, you'll have to check my playlist in my description. Guess who will be involved? Christy from Christy's Farmhouse and good old Melissa from I'm Merely Melissa. I'm so happy you can join me, and happy 4th of July, folks! Why are there no knock-knock jokes on the 4th of July? Because freedom rings!